Good morning, entrepreneur and active women. I hope you are all well today. I am Fatima, the founder of Be Your Energy, your support, your partner to find your right and true balance between your personal and professional life. But also, I'm here to help you to regain your energy. And the method I am using is Ayurveda, an ancient medicine science that is very holistic and that is helping you also to reconnect with yourself, with your true self, and using some very, very simple ancient tips, I would say. And also I'm using also a lot of my Asian backgrounds tips also in order for you to be able to find the energy, but also to be in balance all the time. So as you know, I love to share, all my thoughts about, the entrepreneurship and being taking care of and taking care of our health. So today, the topic I wanted to share with you is: are you in the energy where you want to feel like you are about to give up everything? Like, I mean, about your business, or something that is important to you, and you feel that you are, discouraged, and you feel like you don't have any energy anymore. You just want to find an easy way to get out of that and just say, okay, that's it, I'm done. Well, I'm here to tell you, no, don't give up. So I'm going to share with you a few different tips, and maybe it's going to make you think twice before you are in that energy. So the first thing is gratitude. I know we talk about that many times in a lot of videos, and we hear gratitude all the time. But it's important not only to do the gratitude, but now it's the time to bring out your box of gratitude. So I have a box here that I wanted to show you. And it's a box, you see, with all my little gratitude and that I'm doing and every morning. And it's a time now to read them, to go back and to read them and feel, the energy of gratefulness. So when you feel that you have enough, that you have plenty already, and that you focus on what you have, it's going to definitely change your mindset and your energy about wanting to give up. Because giving up, it happens to everybody, first of all. How many times did I want to give up? But I said, no, I'm not going to give up, because I know that it will pass. So, and I take this attitude of a warrior, and I just said, I'm going to do it, and I can make it, happen. So, this is where I want you to be, So read again your gratitude. They are not just there to be written and just not to be used. They are here to be recycled, and you can use them and see what happens, and you will feel the energy. So that's the first tip. Second one is to call a friend that you know, that you trust, and that you know that is going to cheer you up, that always make you laugh. So that's another one. So don't be afraid to call a friend, thinking that you may disturb this person, or thinking that you are, not, you don't want to, I don't know why, for any reason nowadays we only communicate by SMS or text message. It drives me crazy. Just call a friend when you know, and it will cheer you up, and and they will be on the other side happy too, because they will say, oh, I haven't heard from you for a while. So just call a friend when you are in this energy of giving up, and see what happens too, because I'm sure you're going to have a good laugh. But when I say call, it's really call, have a communication, or you can have a Skype conversation, doesn't matter. It's important to stay in touch and connected with people, especially the one that with who you connect and with who you trust. And so that's all. It's a simple thing that to do, but nowadays we don't use this technique, and I want to bring it back. So simple, see? Then the third one is think again about all the accomplishment that you've done so far. So I'm sure you have it written somewhere, you have recorded somewhere all your accomplishment. I'm talking about all the steps that you took in order to get where you are today. And when you look at them, you will say, wow, I've done that. I can't believe it. And when you are looking them back, you're gonna say, I've done a lot, and I can't give up now, especially all the things I've done. So this is why I think it's important also to reward ourselves with all the accomplishment, but also to be able to look back and say, I've done all of that journey already. I'm already there. And it's only, part where I'm feeling today to give up is only temporary. It's going to pass. So just think about all the things that you have done so far for your business, that you have put into it, and it will bring you back to that state where you will say, no, I can't do that. So that's the third tips. And last one, I think it's very important, is also to remember your clients. I think it's very important that you remember why you are doing what you're doing. And if you are in the service industry, it's important to think about what your intention is with this person or with this group that you are training. It's important to feel that you are impacting. Your job is mattering. Is important to them. And so just keep that in mind, that it's not really about us, but it's about them. And when you revisit your why you are doing what you're doing, you will realize that there is no reason to give up. You are just on the right track. It's just that sometimes it happens when we had not sleep enough and we feel like everything is going to collapse. But in fact, it's only temporary. So revisit your why. Remember, read your testimonials, your clients' testimonial, what they have wrote about you. And, it's a true statement about you, about your work, what you have done. So very important. So if you are feeling you had the intention to give up, I hope that my video has cheer you up, and also has give you the energy to continue, but the energy also of a warrior, and also the energy of a fighter. You fight for a good cause and to help some other people. So if you have any question, contact me. If you want to share some other tips that you have, when you were about to give up, please do share below in the comments. And meanwhile, don't forget, be your energy and be a warrior. Yes. Bye for now. Bye.